Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. And you know, this is your juice guru. Alright guys, so please leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Let's get into this video. I always do like one juice recipe, but this time I want to show you like few juice idea that you can drink every day for body repair. Drink these juice guys and you won't fall sick. All right, this is gonna clean and build your immune system, so you don't have to drink them every day. You can drink them few times a week. All right, the basic ingredients are lemon, ginger, honey. You can use lime, okay? And we have our ginger, celery, cucumber. Drink that every day guys. You can't go wrong. Clean and build your immune system. Good detox, body repair, boost your metabolism. All right, carrots and ginger and orange. Okay, so you just peg the orange there, or you can just go carrot alone. It's up to you. And the third one, we have cranberries, beets, ginger. So a little bit of this. We're doing the celery and the cucumber. All right, and if it can't hold guys, it's okay. You can blend the rest after. All right, you don't have to put all it in the one time. So we're gonna work with this amount. Gonna put everything all at once. 1 tablespoon of honey, a little bit of lemon juice, and we're gonna put some water. And we're gonna blend. And that's it. We're just gonna strain. I blend the rest and I put it in it, so I have a lot, and we're gonna pour it here. So there guys, I have 2 jars from that batch, and we're moving on to the next. Now with the second one, we're gonna do the carrot and the orange with the ginger and lemon. Okay, you can just use carrot if you don't have any orange. All right, you don't want to overdo the blender. Some water. A little bit of water. I'm gonna put my honey. You can put a tablespoon or 2. My lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons. And we're just gonna pour some. And we're on to the last one. All right, the beets and the cranberries. Water. And we're gonna strain this bad boy. And with this one, I'm just gonna pour some water over it. Strong. You wanna squeeze it out. Some honey. And about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. If you have juicer, then maybe you don't have to put any honey. And we're just gonna pour some in. These are the cute covers. I just rinsed them off. They're so cute. This is it. You can store them in the refrigerator. Yes, you can bring one to work. You can give your friend one. You can make one for your mama, your papa, your sister, your brother. You can make it for your kids as well. All right. And most of all, you need to make it for yourself to drink one every day. You can even drink 2, 3 healthy juice recipe you just don't want to live without. All right, these gonna clean and build your immune system. Good for body repair, detox. All right, packed with lots of vitamin, antioxidants. They are so refreshing, healthy, and delicious. Good for your eyesight, good for your teeth, good for your bone, good for your tummy. Good for your blood, good for your body overall. All right, guys, good for your brain. It's an overall health juice recipe here. All right, guys. You have a good day. Bye, guys.